This Polymarket Telegram bot just told me a wallet bought $19,000 of yes on a Trump market, second after the trade hit the chain. Let me show you how I built it in Python in under 30 minutes. Polymarket runs on Polygon. To get real-time trades yourself, you'd need to run a node, index CTF contracts, decode every order match, and resolve market metadata. That's a week of work before you ship anything. Bitquery's prediction market API solves all of that. One GraphQL endpoint, real-time subscriptions plus historical queries, trades pre-decoded with USD amounts, outcomes, buyer and seller addresses, and full market metadata. This is the entire data layer. One subscription, every Polymarket trade on Polygon, with the exact fields you need to filter, render, and link out from a notification. On the Python side, GQL connects to Bitquery's WebSocket. Every incoming trade hits a tiny matcher that runs it against user-defined alerts: minimum trade size, share price range, specific trader wallet, or specific market. Skip any filter, and it acts as a wildcard. Matches go to Python-Telegram-Bot, which sends a Telegram notification with inline links to Polymarket, Polygon Scan, and the trader's profile on Polymarket. Open the bot, type /add-alert, set a minimum trade of $5,000. Save it. Within seconds, every whale trade above that threshold lands in your chat. Full source is in the description. Grab a free Bitquery token at account.bitquery.io and try the prediction market API yourself. If you build something cool, drop it in the comments and subscribe. More Polymarket data tutorials coming.